Hi everyone, I am Diogo Custode. This is the presentation for mid-time. This is a group for cit260, and this group there are Jessica Vargas and Diego Custode. We talk about this presentation about the 7 steps of the functional development process. These 7 steps are: clearly understand, define the problem, input, task, and outputs, test matrix, outline the solution, pseudocode, test algorithm, translate algorithm into the Java code, run test case, and deploy code changes to GitHub repository. We go start. We need to be very clear what is the problem for define the process or the function. Because I tried this example, we calculate the task of the trading in our program. The task in this function is calculate a total value of an item, including the rate that we want to pay for each product. The input, we have the price of the product. The range for that is from the 0 to 40. The tax, second input, that is can be from 10 to 20%. The value total is what we need to put offside. Output in this case is the value total is the price plus the tax. This is the sum table for the input for the taxes. This is the test matrix. Here we can show what is the input, what is the output, because we have 3 kinds of input: valid, invalid, and boundary. In this case, we have one valid. The price is into the range and the tax into the range, the same. If the output is the value total, is that. For the other invalid, we have -1 because there are value, for example, tax is too low, tax price is in negative, or the tax is too high. Anyway, this is the output when it is wrong. When it's boundary, this is a value is not bad, but it's not good. But it's good, but optimal, right? This is algorithm we follow for the obtain this result. Okay, this is a table of memory that takes a case. Every input, the process in this input, we have the result we obtain after the process. This is an algorithm translate in the Java code, because this is a language the computer understand for make this process. It's the same of the algorithm, but in the Java code. After that, we run the test, pass every input, because in this case we have 3 inputs, and the result or output we saw in the last diapositive, and the result is may compare for the expected result, and there is same this if there are equal, the result is okay, but it's not, we need to check what is the problem. But in this case every test is okay. I show you this part here. We have, this is the algorithm in language in Java code, and here the test for this function. This is my example. I have 8 tests, and we go to test the file. It is okay. The test is okay, it's 100%, 100%. Everyone is okay. When we finish this process, make everything, we make the process for share this information, this job in every computer, everyone in this group, and make a commit. We go to Git and go to the repository remote and make commit for save every process. Before that, maybe it's important, make a pull. In this case, we obtain every job the other person, and we show what is the process they changing, what is the process they add. After that, we can do work over, and when we finish, we push every our job for share the other people. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you.